Be honest. When was the last time you changed your guitar strings yourself? Never? You're not alone. Most beginners either ignore it or they keep paying someone else to do it. You tell yourself, I'll learn someday, but then your strings go dull, or worse, one snaps, and you feel stuck. You try watching videos, but they skip steps. You break a string, you panic, you give up. I've been there. I broke strings, I jammed pins, I didn't know what tools to use or where to even start. But I figured out a way to do it that's simple, stress-free, and works every time. I turned it into a mini course, and now I want to show you. This isn't a long, boring tutorial. It's a quick, step-by-step walkthrough. You'll finally know how to change your strings without breaking them, without stressing out, and without paying a guitar tech ever again. It takes less than 15 minutes, and you only need a few basic tools. You can get the full system today for just $7. That's it, $7, one printable guide, and a skill that'll save you money and stress for life. If you don't love it, no problem. Just send me an email and I'll refund you. No questions, no hassle. Click the link below. Start today. And the next time your strings go dead, you won't panic. You'll smile. You'll know exactly what to do.